guys, welcome back to the channel. Now in this video I'm going to show you how to use Copilot to create a PowerPoint presentation in less than 2 minutes, right? So for example, let's take a look at one simple request. So maybe you get a request from your manager that says create a presentation with 10 slides about open banking APIs in the UAE, right? So typically what you would normally do right now is you would probably go to ChatGPT and do some research and ask ChatGPT to give you, let's say, a presentation outline, and it's gonna do that. It's gonna give you the presentation outline, and then what you will do is you will copy and paste the presentation outline into PowerPoint, and then you'll have to add images, and then format the text and font size. And then what you will do is you will add some slide transitions. You'll have to probably research some images on Google, format them, and then insert them manually one by one into the presentation. And then you're probably going to be adding some animations to the presentation objects, which is your text, your images, for them to appear nice and smooth for your presentation. And it's probably going to take you, I don't know, how long is this going to take you? Probably about, 2-3 hours, 2 hours maybe, 2 hours or more, depending on how much you'll be researching. And let's say, for example, here in the UAE in Arabic language. And you might do this in Arabic language. You'll have to go through the same process. You'll be going through a presentation outline, do some research. You'll ask ChatGPT for the outline. You'll copy and paste the context and the text and the font into your presentation. You'll do some formatting on the presentation depending on where the position of each image will be and the text will be, and so on. So this whole process is going to take you maybe minimum 2 hours, maybe more. Now, how can an AI tool such as Copilot can help create your presentation in minutes? Here's how this works. In minutes. Here's how this works. So I'm going to go right here, and I'm going to go New, Create with Copilot. And it's going to give me this. And then what I'm going to do is I'm just going to prompt Copilot about open banking APIs in the UAE. Make it 10 slides in Arabic language, please. I want to be nice, right? So I just prompted it, create a presentation about open banking APIs in the UAE. Make it 10 slides in Arabic language, please. And I'm just going to hit submit. And now the prompt's going to be analyzed. And then immediately it's just going to give me a prompt outline, or the outline of the presentation along with the topics, right? So this is like an outline here. I'm going to go through it immediately, and then if I don't like something, maybe I want to move something, I want to add something more to it, I want to add a subtopic, I can do that. If I don't like this specific outline, I can just put it in the trash, and I'll delete it, and it's going to get something else, right? So it gives me this outline, and this basically the heading, the subheading of each content for the slides. Okay, so now I like this content, I like this outline. I'm just going to go and hit generate slides. And now here's where the true magic happens. Now Copilot integrates directly with your Office apps, right? Office 365 apps, which means whenever it gets the content, it immediately integrates directly into your PowerPoint, into your Excel, into your Word, into your Outlook, and into your team, which makes things much easier. Typically, what you normally do is you copy and paste maybe some content from Gemini or Google Gemini, and then you bring it back here, and then you have to add the formatting to it. Here it's doing everything for you immediately. So what it's doing right now, it's generating all the slides content directly in PowerPoint, and bam, just like that, it's right there. All the slides are there. It has images. It has slide transitions is there. It has presentations is there as well, right? It has the animations is there. It built in all of it and with the images. So I'm just going to go and test it, right? Just like that. See, the animation is built into it. So this is like, most important points. Outline. Images is there. Topics and subtopics, slide transitions and slide dividers is there. Okay, let me go from here. Actually, I went in from the very top. So let me go from here. This is basically the title page or the title slides, where it's going to give me like all in Arabic. I'm going to go next. Again, slide transition along with animations on each object, on the text objects. And slide dividers. This is like introduction to Open Banking API. And then it's going to give me the definition, what it means in the UAE, right? All of it is done for you directly in your presentation. Slide dividers, again, you can just go back and change the slides, change the background, edit the content. And here's where the true magic is. You want to go here, you can just go here, and then you can edit the content, or you can simply change the color if you don't like it, right? If you don't like this text, you can just go and change the formatting, make it larger, change the text color, and then save it. Now, sometimes if you don't like the specific text right here, you just go and click here, and then you click here, that's the Copilot, and then you do auto rewrite. It's going to automatically rewrite the content of that specific text object only for you directly in the slide, right? So here, if you want to add a new slide, I want to add a slide about regulation in Open Banking APIs. So let's go right here. Let's do it actually. Add a slide about regulation of Open Banking APIs in the UAE. And then submit. All right. And now it's going to give me a slide directly from the internet, from the web. It's going to give me the content and add the slide directly in my presentation, just like that. Now it came in English because I didn't say it in Arabic language, right? And then if I keep it, I like it. If I don't want it, then I'll just delete it, discard it. It's going to go back, right? And then I'll just do the same thing. Add a slide about Open Banking API regulation in Arabic language. It's going to do that the same thing for me directly in your presentation. So it's saving you tons and tons of time, hours and hours of editing, formatting, resizing, and checking and copying and pasting between the browsers and into your presentation. That's the magic of Copilot when using it directly in your Office applications. Now, the same thing is actually happening for Word or Excel. It integrates directly into your Excel. Now, this is a simple demonstration of how Copilot works with your PowerPoint. Now, this is an introduction to what the course is about. We have this course now, it's called Copilot for Microsoft 365, and the training covers exactly how to use Copilot directly with your Office application, which is PowerPoint, Excel, and Word, and Teams, and Outlook, to make things easier for you and to save you hours and hours of time whenever you are working on your daily workflows in your documents, in your Office apps, in your Office applications, editing and content creation and content editing and researching between your applications, right? So this is a very simple demo of how Copilot works with PowerPoint. Thank you guys for watching. If you like this video, please hit the like button and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next video.